In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life on your Chevy Sonic. We're going to start the vehicle. Once the vehicle's running, you're going to hit Menu and make sure you're on Vehicle. It should tell you the remaining oil life left. You're going to hit Reset if you need to. Are you sure you want to reset? And you want to scroll with your arrows up and hit Set. It should reset your remaining oil life to 100%. Now you can shut the vehicle off. And you're going to want to go back in and make sure it reset. And it should say remaining oil life 100%. You should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.